Transportation is like of the enough for us for now, and that is used for us to get in the places that have so long range, and it easier for us to get the location in with the quickly and on time. So the transportation is good for us and easier for us. The kinds of transportation is car, motorcycles, train, boat, and plane. We know that each transportation have each road, like the plane in the sky, the boat in the water, and the car, motorcycle, and the train is in the land or road. So, cause if each transportation have each fuels like fossil fuels vehicles, and now there is electric vehicles that use electric, that is advantage to reduce of the gases that contain in the fossil fuels vehicle, and that's it to protect our environment become more good and our air quality become more good. So the difference of the electric vehicles and the fossil fuels vehicles, like the electric vehicles doesn't make me any noise like there in the Tesla or other company that produce of electric vehicles, that is have each vehicles doesn't have any noise, and there's no in the fossil fuels vehicles cause of the produce of the gas that need cause of the fossil fuels vehicles burn, and for that is comfort, but for other peoples that I think to comfort, and that is fun of the loud sound from the fossil fuels vehicles, that is make like it doesn't comfort and feels it was not like a normal. So I think it was a subjective experience for each people, subjective feel. So I think it's depends of who are the people. And for the protect of environment, and the electric vehicles use is for that, and that is good, and that is objective because of the environment is for the many people, not just for the one people or an individual or a group, but for every people, cause we know that environment is done good, cause the air quality that there in the earth is in the year it was not good, and one cause of that is the fossil fuels vehicles that make chemical gas that contains of carbon monoxide, and that is not good for the earth, cause the gas and the tree that cut and make the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and the oxygen is doesn't balance and make people doesn't good. So to see the futures, because if we want the earth become good and the more comfort vehicles like the electric vehicles, so electric vehicle is a nice innovation, and I hope that this can produce for the other vehicles like in the boat, I think, if there, and the plane, cause now is the electric vehicle we can find in the train, in the car, in the motorcycle, and I think for that innovation for the transportation is good and good for everyone because of the environment and enough.